Good morning, guys. This is Trading Channel in which we are going to analyze Nifty Bank Nifty as well as USDINR. Today we'll look at the charts and we'll decide the market trend for Tuesday. So first we'll take a look at Nifty. So in the morning itself, I went live on YouTube and gave the trade on Nifty. So we'll talk about that trade also. First, we'll interpret the chart, what the chart is trying to say to us, and why we are taking that trade, and why I'm into that trade still. So if we look at the charts, so 18,700 is a kind of a resistance zone, and 18,900 is the next resistance zone if it crosses 18,700. So our supports are 18,530, and only if it crosses 18,530 on the downside and goes below, rather than 18,530, if it goes below 18,430, then we could be still entering in a bearish territory if it does. But I don't feel that there is such condition, because until and unless market is above 18,530, then we are in a very good place and a safe zone, and we may see our targets to be 18,700 as well as 18,900. So these are the two targets. If market is trying to stay above 18,530, then this could be two targets we will touch in Nifty soon. So now we'll talk about the trade which we took on intraday or BTS trade, you can say. So today itself market gave a gap up opening, and it was around more than 100 points or near to 100 points, 80 points I feel. And so market went up trying to rise, and I feel I talked about that if don't chase the big gap up on Monday, let the market form the base and then go buy on dips for the shorter time frame. Stay cautious because market can trap the bulls in the afternoon. So that same thing happened, but the market didn't want to trap the bulls, so market was just staying cautious. So the gap up opened and it tried to form a base near 18,580, and after that it tried to touch our first target, which was around 18,640. So it went up there, but it was unable to cross 18,640. So if it would have crossed this, then we would have seen 18,700 to be our 18,680 to be our second target. But eventually that didn't happen, and it also didn't cross our stop loss, which was the low it formed, and which is around 18,580. So we didn't cross the stop loss yet, and I have taken the trade on the BTHC itself. So if I show you the trade, so this was the trade I took around 18,610, then I have averaged it and made around 62.48. Also at the last moment itself, I've taken the trade on Bank Nifty, and why I've taken the trade on Bank Nifty also I will show you. So that's the case for Nifty. Now we'll take a look at Bank Nifty as well as Fin Nifty. So Bank Nifty similar situation. It was also unable to cross the high, which was around 44,460 to 480, and but still, whenever market will try to come near 44,200, it will get bought up easily, because Bank Nifty is a zone where it has never gone to. So we talked about in a previous video that if Bank Nifty crosses 44,150, then we will go massively long on Bank Nifty, and we are still long on Bank Nifty indirectly and directly also. So this is the zone. I feel now Bank Nifty can go to around 45,000, or can go to higher levels also, and we don't know where it is going to stop. So now we'll take a look at Nifty. So Nifty is near all-time high area, and once it crosses 19,600, so we could see a massive momentum on the upside if it crosses 19,600. The lower zone which we need to be cautious is around 19,500. If we go below 19,500, then we could try to touch 19,150 levels if it does. And if it goes below 19,500, I feel it will be a dip for the people to enter again, and it will try to cross this resistance zone and form an all-time high. So Bank Nifty has formed an all-time high. So similarly, Nifty will try to also form an all-time high. And if Nifty does, then we could see a nice rally on the Bank Nifty. Now we'll take a look at Dow Jones as well as USDINR, but we'll try to give a verdict on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty gave a confirmation to the bullish hammer. Sorry. So Nifty opens up. So Nifty has opened up around 17,700 as well as 17,900 resistance, and our first resistance is 17,700 and our support is 17,530. So until and unless it stays about the support, then we will try to touch 17,700 as well as 17,900, because I feel that Nifty is in a very good zone as well as in a very safe zone, and FI is just trying to build their portfolio in this zone. So it's a very good opportunity to go long on Nifty as well as on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is near all-time high area, and Nifty can crack on upside, and if it does, we will see nice rally. So Dow Jones, USD, INR, and FI data. We'll take a look at that also. So Dow Jones, market hasn't. Today we have a holiday, and market will open tomorrow. So in Dow Jones, there is this ceiling, or you could say resistance of the channel, and we have somehow entered into the previous channel, or we are trying to form a parallel channel. We have to look at that, but I feel we are trying to touch this channel, this top part of the channel, and if it crosses this top part, then we could see a bigger channel top parts is trying to touch. So market will go if it crosses this channel, this parallel channel. So this is the very important trend line, and if it does crosses this, then we can know that the depth selling issue has been sorted out, and we are in very good place for US market. So till then it doesn't crosses, then we are still in a cautious zone, I feel, on Dow Jones. And now we'll take a look at on USD So USDINR has been pretty much sorted out, and it's trying to give a nice momentum in a formation. I feel whenever this zone breaks, either on the upside or on the downside, we will see a nice momentum on either of the side, on whichever side it breaks. So in today's morning video, we talked that USDINR was around 82.65, and I told that this could be a nice selling opportunity on USDINR, and tomorrow if it crosses this area or this trend line, then you can still enter on a USDINR on downside and can go short again and put it with a tight stop loss. So now we'll take a look at FII. Instead of forming a small bearish candle on a Nifty, still the outlook on the calls as well as puts are still on a bullish side, and which is very positive. So this is a kind of a bullish sign. And if we look at the Y change is still showing an uptrend in the, even though the calls as well as put has been sold out. They have cut off their positions in call as well as in put. So this expiry could be very interesting, I feel, and moreover, I feel that majority of the momentum is going to come after the expiry or in the expiry. So they have cut off their call positions as well as their put positions, but it is kind of a mild bearish, but not at all bearish, and this doesn't matter at all. And if we look at the stock they have bought on the cash market is around 1.7 700 CR, so which is a very positive. So because FIs are trying to build their portfolio around this zone, uh, see the number of days they are still trying to build the portfolio, and I feel they are trying to build the portfolio in this area, so they could be ready for the next momentum to till 19,000 till 20,000, so whatever maybe the area which that they have put their targets on. So FI is bullish, still bullish. So Dow Jones, USDINR, FI data. So depth shilling issue has been sorted out, but still final process is still remaining and facing many opposition on the bill. But the bill has somehow managed to be passed, and they are trying to raise the debt ceiling for US market, for US government, and they have still that time in hand till 5th of June. And USDINR will continue on the downside. FI data still bullish and looks like that FI are trying to make that portfolio. Even they have cut their positions on options. The verdicts and trades would be. So FIs are very positive and markets is in very good and safe zone. So insiders and big guys know the information what's going to happen next till 5 June. So there isn't any panic selling on the market, and market is near all-time high on Bank Nifty, is at all-time high on Bank Nifty. So the trades will be buy on dips, especially in Bank Nifty along with Nifty. And if Fin Nifty tomorrow breaks the resistance, then we can go massively long on banks. So that's the overall verdict. Put your stop loss with looking at the zones which we talked about in today's video. So thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you later. Bye bye.